Welcome to Bruce Life channel. We're playing the 510 magnet ball game. We're gonna wrap around this marker today.
Okay, let's film here. Okay, let's do it. So start from here. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. And what I do, I just roll it.
Yeah.
Okay, now see how satisfying is this? Is this satisfying, Bruce?
Yeah.
Oh. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna go
We're
faster.
making a ring.
Ta-da!
Yeah, let's
Look
take
at this. Look at this. Is this beautiful?
Yeah, and it's satisfying.
Alright, let's take it out. Oh, you can't take out from here, but we can take out from here. Let's see inside. Oh, this is so cool. Alright, bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye.